India's largest port operator conglomerate, Adani Port, has once again put India on the global maritime map, supporting India's aim to become a manufacturing powerhouse and the world's key trading hub. Adani Ports has taken a significant stride in global expansion efforts. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zones have entered East Africa this time. The joint venture is in agreement with Hutchinson Port Holdings Limited to acquire a 95% stake in Tanzania International Container Terminal Services Limited. The firm has signed a 30-year concession with Tanzania Ports Authority to operate a container terminal at Salaam Port in Tanzania. Now, Adani International Port Holdings will manage Container Terminal 2. As part of the agreement, the Adani Ports-led consortium, East Africa Gateway Limited, will acquire the project company in Tanzania for $39.5 million. The signing of the pact underscores APSEZ's ambition of becoming one of the largest port operators and logistics providers in the world by 2030. Adani, India's multinational port operator, might have to compete with DP World. Now, DP World is a Dubai-based state-owned firm. It has also acquired a 30-year concession to run berths 4 to 7 at this port. The intent behind acquiring the port is to enhance trade volumes and economic cooperation between Adani Ports in India and East Africa. But why did the Indian conglomerate target East Africa and the Dar es Salaam port in Tanzania? Let's understand the economic and strategic importance of this port. Now, this is a gateway port and is known for having a well-connected network of roadways and railways. APSEZ said in a statement on 31st of May, quote, CT2 with 4 berths has an annual cargo handling capacity of 1 million TEUs or 20-foot equivalent units, unquote. It managed 0.82 million TEUs of containers in 2023, estimated to be 83% of Tanzania's total container volumes. Tanzania itself is strategically located in Africa, close to 6 landlocked countries of Malawi, copper producer Zambia, Democratic Republic of Congo, Burundi, Rwanda, and even Uganda. The port constitutes a large volume of goods containers moving in and out of the strategically located. It serves as a freight link to and from East and Central African countries, as well as to the Middle and Far East, Europe and Australia, and even the Americas. Hence, the big investment stems out of the gateway access advantage Tanzania port carries with it. The pact outlines Adani Port's strategic vision to expand its footprint in key regions with high growth potential. Adani Ports aim to modernize and transform the Dar es Salaam port into a world-class facility. This means they will be working towards improving cargo clearing systems and eliminating delays. It will also enable other international companies to enter the African market. The World Bank reported that despite the great economic potential, inefficiencies at the Dar es Salaam port are costing consumers more time and money than other comparable ports. Loss resulting from inefficiencies at Dar es Salaam port is immense. It is estimated to be around $1.8 billion for the Tanzanian economy and around $830 million for neighboring countries. These operational backlogs are caused by a lack of modern technology. Adani Ports, with its expertise in managing ports operations, will be able to aid end-to-end total logistics chain solutions. Transportation of goods between African countries and other parts of the world, including Europe and Asia, will be facilitated by this port. The deal has become the third port acquisition globally by Adani, after the Haifa port in Israel and the under-construction container terminal in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Earlier, in a historic $1.2 billion deal, Adani acquired the strategic Haifa port in Israel, a major trade hub on the Mediterranean. Remember, the Haifa port is a significant part of the India-Middle East-Europe economic corridor, a geopolitical pipe dream for India connecting South Asia to Europe via the Middle East. The Adani project in Colombo, largest and busiest transshipment port in the Indian Ocean, was offered an investment in 2023 worth $553 million by the US government. It manages 7 ports and terminals on the west coast and 8 on the east coast. Currently, Adani Group also has operations in ports in countries such as Indonesia and Australia, and has signed MOUs for various port-related activities in Vietnam, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Leave a comment, hit the like button, and remember to subscribe to Inconnect News.